Okay, so this morning we're going to do a little more work on 32 Ford four-door with the steering box replacement. I got some woodruff keys from C.W. Moss. I bought 3 of them because they're about $2 a piece, but it's $9 to ship, so I decided to get 3 of them. Actually, I need 2, so I'll have 1 spare. And I'm gonna be working on this car again because I'm finally recovered from the work I did before, removing the steering box and replacing it. And after that, my sciatic nerves start acting up, and it's just that's what happens in old age. You're not as durable as you were when you were younger. Anyhow, I'll be using my GoPro camera, and what's cool is you can pair it with your iPhone to see what direction it is pointing. And before I couldn't do that, so it was just luck of the draw whether it was videoing in the right position. So let me put this on. Turn this on here. Okay, so now I'm going to pair this GoPro with my phone so I can see where it's pointing. So let me get the full, so I can move the camera up and down to make sure it's pointing in the right direction. So I think, let me go down a little bit more. I think just a little bit. That looks pretty good there. So yeah, I paired my GoPro with the phone so I can see what directions it's pointing in. So now, and you can actually control the GoPro also, but I'll be controlling it from the button on top, the record button. So let me just shut my phone off. So let's go outside and put it on the steering column. Put a little anti-seize on the steering column so it makes it easier next time I want to remove the steering wheel. Turn some lights on here so we get a better idea what we're doing. A little anti-seize on here. Doesn't hurt to put it on the threads also. This woodruff key is the same from 1928 to 1932. Let me hold it in position here. What's going on? I think we got it that time. Sort of. There we go. Put the steering wheel nut on. And we're back in business. Okay, so that should do it for now. And so I'm going to go back in the house and finish watching Derek's video on Vice Grip Garage. And if you ever get a chance, watch Vice Grip Garage. Derek is quite entertaining. He's got a great sense of humor.